Just tell me, even now you come just for cough, means you got cold yesterday.
Yeah.
You came here for treatment. What was the reason behind it? For simple thing, why you came here?
Because I was getting heavy pain in my heart, and last time when I took that thing, I became cured immediately within a day.
Last
Last time you had
Last
problem
last
of.
time he had a cold when he was taking treatment for his back,
Mhm.
and doctor cured him of his cold within 2 sittings, completely. After that, when I went to doctor, I just said, Dr. Edwin, just check his chest if he has cold. Dr. Edwin said, no cold at all.
Mhm. So now when he got cold,
So,
you came directly
I
here.
remember Dr. Prabhu, and I said, let us go there.
Yes.
He is getting non-stop cough.
Mhm. So people, whenever they have our old patient, when they got cold or anything, they come here directly.
Yeah.
Because when they know about if these problems are, if you wait for some time, then it becomes internal incurable.
Yes.
Then go on taking medication. And if you come here directly, you can get the experience that immediately within one sitting you get improvement.
Yes, doctor.
So that is the faith is very important, and
Yeah.
for small things also we can treat very easily.
Yeah.
We are treating all impossible cases.
Today we just at this moment we remembered, we phoned to Josna. Dr. Prabhu is there. She said tomorrow is going. Today is the last day.
So I
I'm
came
coming. He
immediately.
said.
And,
My husband told I'm coming now only.
Mhm.
And I feel I'm already cured.
Mhm.
But I was getting pain,
Mhm. So there was severe,
Severe,
throat infection
infection. Yes.
and cough.
Cough.
But one sitting only you found relief.
Yes.
So okay, thank you very much. Okay, thank you.
Thank you very much.
Thank you very much. Thank you.
Thank you.